Hello and namaste. This is Jaimin Shah from Teachers. This time we came up with something really new and which is a problem which is being faced by all the faculties who are teaching in schools and colleges online. So this is the solution which is related to the Google Meet extension. So for an example, if you are taking lectures on Google Meet and what you have is you might have an extension which is being added to your Chrome account. So with the help of that particular attendance extension, you might be downloading the attendance, but what next? So after downloading the attendance, merging attendance of all the classes of your subject and merging attendance of all the subjects of one class, it will be a tedious task because you will have to do it manually. So this is the solution that we have brought up, which will actually help you out to merge all the sort of reports very easily. So let's just jump to the process wherein how do you need to use this particular system. So this is how the system is going to be. So the new way to take the attendance is something like this, wherein you need to take lectures online on Google Meet. Next thing is attendance sheet will be auto downloaded with the help of Chrome extension. The first and second steps you might be doing it at present. Third step will be you just need to upload the Excel sheet which has been downloaded with the help of extension with little bit of edit, and then everything will be automated. Let's just move on to how to upload that particular attendance sheet. So for an example, this is the teachers portal that you might be getting. So if you are enrolled with us, see the entire solution is totally free of cost. So if you are enrolled with us, what you need to do is you just need to, we have all the list of subjects which you are teaching in your particular class or what particular college. You just need to click on one subject that you are teaching today or that you want to record an attendance of. Just go inside that, set the time from what time to what time you have taken lectures. So let's say if I've taken lectures today from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm just setting the time right now. And the next thing is upload the file that has been downloaded, the Excel sheet. This is same as doing an attachment in the email. So let's say if this is the file that has been downloaded with the help of Google Chrome extension, I'm just clicking on that, uploading it, and the entire attendance is auto recorded. So there is no need to mark individual student present or absent. There is nothing like you need to mark 75 students present or you need to write P in front of all the 75 students and remaining will be marked as A or something like that. Everything is automated. Now what is the result of this automation? So you have total 7 types of reports which you are going to get on your email address as and when you want. We are just focusing on 3 major reports. This is the first report being a faculty you are going to get, wherein you have individual subject report. So for an example, if you're teaching one subject in one institute or if you're teaching multiple subjects, so this is the type of report that you are going to get. The report is of one subject. Let's say if it is of export marketing paper 1, on what date you have taken lectures, how many number of lectures you have taken, how many number of students were present or absent, marked as P or A, which is the exact same method that you might be using in the physical lectures, their percentage, and done. Moving on to another record, this is log report that you are going to get. So if you are keeping a log book, then there is no need to keep a logbook over here. Everything will be again mailed to you regarding on what day or date you have taken what sort of lectures, how many number of students were present or absent, from what time to what time you have taken lectures. Everything will be mailed on your email address. Now this is the most important report, which is merger of all the lectures of your particular subject and merger of all the subjects of the entire class. So for an example, if this class is of TYBMS, in TYBMS, if these are the subjects that are being taught, so there is nothing like you need to merge attendance of all the subjects. It will be automated. Automation means overall report consists of everything like how many number of subjects are there, total of all these subjects will sum up to this particular overall report. So you'll be having a final report with you regarding all the students, regarding what is the percentage of the attendance that they have on that particular month. So this is how it is going to be. Now coming to the conclusion, so we just have 3 steps in it. Take lecture on Google Meet, attendance sheet will be auto downloaded, upload the attendance sheet, and all the reports will be automated. Now talking about this particular solution, this is free of cost for all the faculties. So being a faculty, even I know the pain and hardship which is being faced by all the faculties regarding merging all sort of reports. So this solution is totally free. The only thing is we are enrolling colleges and we are enrolling schools, not in individual faculties. So you just need to ask your college, they just need to contact us, they just need to drop a mail on this particular email address, which is connect@teachersapp.com. Within a day or two, as soon as we have the data of the college, we'll be installing the application and you'll be using it. And trust me, this is going to save minimum 10 minutes of yours per lecture. So this is how the solution is going to work, which is free. If you are interested enough, just mail on this particular email address, or if you have any sort of query, just comment on the comment section. Thank you so much.